Hey guys, so this video is going to be about the canvas install and why I chose to use this canvas over some other materials. So this is 600 denier canvas. It's a polyester canvas that has a PVC backing, which is what actually makes it waterproof, and it's pretty durable. I didn't do 1,000 denier just because I think 1,000 denier would be too hard to work with. This stuff's pretty thick, and I've seen a lot of other guys use it on rooftop tents or repairing sportsmobiles or Westfalia campers, so I figured this would be a good option. As far as getting measurements to actually install the canvas, I took the entire sheet, and I'll cut in some pictures here, and I hung it over the roof of the camper. I then marked on this inside edge. Then I measured up 1.5 inches, and that will be my fold line for my hem. I then stitched along the bottom for the top hem, and then ran the material back out and actually installed it on the camper temporarily. The bottom wasn't cut or measured yet, so I had a lot of excess hanging down here, and I basically just pulled the canvas tight and marked where I thought my bottom fold line would be, and did the same thing. I added 1.5 inches just to get my fold over for the hem, brought the material back inside and stitched it again. There's some loose areas, but I figured that's okay just because I didn't want it to be super tight and have it yanking on the screws constantly if the roof moves at all. And as far as fastening the material to the camper, I just used these 1/2 inch lathe screws. It's a wide head style screw, which I definitely think helps hold the material, a little more surface area there as opposed to using some other type of screw. The only real problem I had when installing the canvas was each corner of the roof has a little bit of play. And as I was going across and screwing all the canvas in, it was hard to line up the actual markings I had on the inside for each corner, since the roof could basically go up and down. So as you can see, there's a little bit of tension in the fabric going sideways, but that's really just more cosmetic than anything. It doesn't affect the canvas at all. It's not that tight. If I had to install the canvas again, I would probably make some cardboard cutouts of the actual sizes I need for the side walls and the back wall, and then just lay my canvas out flat on the ground and trace out the exact shape I need. I think it would be a little more accurate than the way I did it. If you're installing canvas like this on a rooftop tent or a camper, I've seen a lot of people actually add a bungee throughout the middle of the canvas to soak up any extra material. It'll also help when you close the top of the camper to bring all the material in as you close. But I'll just show you guys here real quick how easy this thing is actually to close. Not too bad. As far as the rest of the build, I still have to make camper jacks so I can actually get it in the truck. I'm going to be adding another window to the other side of the camper, so I'll try to do a video on that. And I'm going to add some locking or some latches here just so the roof isn't bouncing around as I'm driving down the road. I'm also going to be doing some roof racks for surfboards or skis. I don't know if I'm just gonna buy some roof racks from like a junkyard off a van and kind of modify them, or if I'm gonna build my own. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll try to get some more videos out there. Thanks guys.